damn construction crane that fell in downtown St. Pete. And it's a good thing that people were not in that damn building, because if they were, then I probably would be going to see them for representation. Apparently nobody got hurt. And I heard the fucker fall when it fell the night of the hurricane, even from miles away. And that's the crane right there. Went right through the fucking building. I know it probably doesn't do it any justice, but that's the crane. That's the other part of it. Of course, police want to harass the black guy with the damn camera. Not surprising. Let's make the black guy move first. Fuck everybody else.